Hi guys, Genevieve here from Sephora Green Hills in Nashville, Tennessee. If you want to see my gentle evening skincare routine for combo skin, stay tuned. The first step in my nighttime skincare routine is to melt my makeup off. I'm using the Caudalie Gentle Cleansing Milk on cotton pads to help saturate the product and melt off all of my makeup. I like to double cleanse, so I like to go in and melt the makeup off first before I cleanse my skin with water. This will just help get makeup off easier so it's not just caking up with water. Once all of my makeup is off, I'm taking a couple pumps of the same Caudalie Gentle Cleansing Milk, rubbing it into my hands, and then working it all throughout the skin as a cleanser. I love this product because it doubles as a makeup melter and a cleanser, and it never strips me of my hydration. I start out with the product on dry skin, and now I am rinsing it off with a washcloth and water. Now to boost my glow and even out texture, I'm using the Go-To Exfoliating Swipies. These have a lactic acid serum that provides all the exfoliation you need in a super easy pad. I limit this step in my skincare routine to twice a week since I have sensitive skin that is easily irritated. I just swipe this all over my face, wait 1 minute, and then wash it off. I'm following this up with the Fresh Black Tea Kombucha Antioxidant Essence. I'm dispensing a few drops of this essence onto a cotton round and then swiping it all over the face. The toner will help remove any excess and prep my skin for the rest of my skincare routine. This will just make sure that your moisturizer doesn't just sit on top and it actually absorbs into the skin. To even out my skin tone and improve texture, I'm using the Sunday Riley CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. I'm dispensing 1 pump onto the palm of my hand and then pressing it into the skin. I limit this step in my skincare routine to about 3 days a week to avoid any inflammation. For hydration, I'm using the very useful face cream from Go-To. This formula is good for all skin types and is free of fragrances and pore-clogging ingredients. Mainly, I love how soft and hydrated my skin feels when I'm using this product. I use this every single day, day and nighttime. My favorite eye cream for nighttime hydration and firming is the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Eye. When I use this at night, I can actually see a noticeable difference in how firm and bright my eyes look in the morning. I like to take a bit into both of my ring fingers and feel for my orbital bone and press it all along there, about 360 all the way around the eye. And there you have it, guys, my gentle evening skincare routine for combo skin. Please comment below with your favorite products and make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks, bye.